I'm called to the front to deliver a message of support. Ushilu Siyabonga Mbongo ukuthi ngingu-councillor in the district. I'm the executive committee responsible for the portfolio of community services. Amongst others, the community services, which is relevant for today, are issues of youth development, your arts and culture, women empowerment, or the previously marginalized groups, sitila ezinto kanjalo. Mhlawumbe ngiqale ngokuquote a progressive and the longest serving president of the African National Congress Youth League, President Oliver Tambo, when he says, I quote, "A society or a community that does not take care of its youth does not deserve the future." Close quote. The reason why we are all gathered today is to celebrate and nurture and motivate young people who dedicated themselves and achieve good marks in certain or specific subjects. That is part of us as collectively taking care of the youth and ensuring that we have a bright future. To young people who are here today and those that are in the universities already looking at this card, we are proud of you as Umgungundlovu district. We are proud of you as parents. This is a beginning of a bright and a great future ahead of you. It is only through education that you can change or transform the situation and or the environment that you are living in today.